And welcome back to Everyman RV. Dave Erickson here at Bretz RV and Marine in Liberty Lake, Washington, which is about a mile west of the Washington-Idaho border. Bretz has multiple locations throughout Washington, Idaho, and Montana, selling everything from travel trailers, fifth wheels, toy haulers, motorhomes, boats, and cargo trailers. You can see their new and used inventory right now at BretzRV.com. In the meantime, here's today's feature presentation.
Hi everybody, it's Kenny with Bretz RV and Marine. And today we're going to look at big water boat. Okay, the Smoker Craft Phantom 20X2 is for the big water that we have in eastern Washington, the North Idaho Panhandle, and western Montana. Lake Coeur d'Alene, Lake Pend Oreille, Flathead Lake, Lake Roosevelt. This is a big water fishing boat that's also comfortable and extremely beautiful. Let's start in the front. This has a nice open deck with a solid glass windshield. The door opens. We have this small door that opens to be able to transition from the deck to the cabin. We also have ample storage in the bow, as well as a self-bailing deck. Water comes over the bow. It's going to flow into these openings here, go to the bilge. So this is a self-bailing deck boat. Let's move from forward towards the aft into the cabin. We come down and we have two captain's chairs. There is tilt steering, a nice gauge package with RPM and miles per hour. This is a 6-person boat with channels that run all the way around for accessories, rod holders, cocktail holders, tool holders. There's a whole range of accessories that we can put in the tracks that go around this boat. As in the front, we have ample dry storage in the hull of this boat. As we move back, one of the great specialties of this Smoker Craft boat is the bench seat that moves. It's not bolted down. You can put it where you need to put it. If you need more space in the aft deck, you can actually remove it. And again, there is ample storage under this seat. So it's a very versatile part of this boat. Okay, one of the great things about this boat is the very large cover that we have that will enclose this cockpit. But if you would like to remove this, it's a very simple thing to remove. There are 2 screws here, 1 screw forward, 2 screws on the starboard side, and then 1 screw starboard forward, and this cover would come off. So you can have it as a fully open boat, or if, again, we're fishing in the wintertime, you can completely enclose the cabin. Once you catch your big fish, what do you do with it after that? This is an outstanding feature. You open this, this is where your live well is, but also your cleaning station. We can clean and fillet our fish, and your wife's not going to get mad at you for doing it on the kitchen table. Okay, so that Smoker Craft integrated this into their live well is a great thing for us big water fishermen who are going to catch big fish. Okay, one of the other great features of this boat is right here, and that's the washdown hose. You have a hose and a sprayer. You turn on the pump, and we can wash all of our fish leavings off of our cleaning station, wash down the deck, which again is self-bailing. It will drain into the bilge pump will come on, and you will have a nice clean boat as soon as you get home. So this boat is already integrated with a 9.9 horse Mercury 4-stroke kicker motor. As we all know, on the bigger lakes, most of the time we'll be trolling, and that little motor will get the job done perfectly. Then we all know that sometimes the wind starts to blow, a storm will come up fairly quickly, and that's when we got to get off the lake. 200 horsepower of Mercury 4-stroke outboard is all the engine you're going to need to get you off the lake quickly and safely. That's a quick look at the Smoker Craft 20X2. Come down to Liberty Lake, Bretz RV and Marine, and let me give you a personal tour. My name is Kenny Bartlett, and remember that Bretz is not only a boat shop, we also have a full line of RVs, fifth wheels, trailers, and so any outdoor recreation that you would like to get into, come and ask for Kenny, and I'll give you a tour.
Just another example of the cool stuff they have here at Bretz RV and Marine. I'm Dave Erickson with Everyman RV. Thank you so much for watching. Click subscribe and stay tuned for the next one.